Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. Today we're on I-49 South in Bates County, Missouri, and we begin at mile 135 near the village of Passaic. We're also on US Highway 71, which is concurrent with I-49 throughout I-49's run in the state of Missouri.
Every day with you is magic. Every kiss is better than
We enter the city limits of Butler, which lies to the east of I-49. Butler is the county seat of Bates County. The city is named for William Orlando Butler, a noted American military and political figure of the early and mid-19th century. As of 2018, Butler had an estimated population of 4,038. Butler gained electrical power in 1881, being one of the first communities west of the Mississippi River to offer that convenience. 4 large lights were mounted atop the Bates County Courthouse, providing illumination for the downtown area. Butler became known as the Electric City.
It's like I can hardly breathe when you say my name. I know we've waited and we've prayed, and here we are for a lifetime. For a lifetime.
Every day, I swear I need you. With each glance, I love you more and more. Our walls came crumbling down. Now hand in hand we soar. For a lifetime of I love yous, 2 hearts, 1.
Over the next couple of miles, you'll see a couple of glitches in the video, and we actually lost about 3/4 of a mile of video due to the camera overheating. We remedied that situation pretty quickly though, so the rest of the trip will be uninterrupted.
Hearts meet. It's like I can hardly breathe when you say my name. I know we've waited and we've prayed, and here we are for a lifetime. Forever and ever for a lifetime. Forever. Forever.
My soul found you and fell in love. Now I can't get you out of my mind.
Your tears, your touch, your lips, your love, your laugh, your songs, your stories.
Your heart, your arms, your lips, your laugh, your love, your songs, your stories.
Our tears, our prayers, our laugh, our love, our smiles, our songs, our stories. There are.
Just a reminder, if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and the bell beside it to be notified of when our new videos come out. And give us a thumbs up if you enjoy our videos.
One beat,
You whisper to me,
be mine for a lifetime.
it's the little things that make our hearts meet.
It's like I can hardly breathe when you say my name.
I know we've waited and we've prayed.
Oh, darling,
Say my name. I know we've waited and we've prayed, and here we are
for a lifetime.
Exit 120 leads to the distant city of Osceola to the east, which sounds like it should be in Florida, and the city of Rich Hill, which is just to the west of I-49. Rich Hill was platted in 1880. The city was named in 1871 and used the slogan, "The town that coal built." The town experienced a rapid population expansion during the late 1800s until mining efforts began to decline and eventually ended in 1906. The mining effort was renewed by Peabody Energy in the 1950s. The rural KLM Telephone Company and its owner, American Broadband, are based in Rich Hill.
And then I'll never have to face my nights alone. 'Cause in my heart I hear you speak, and on my face I feel you breathing next to me. Two by land, by air, by sea. And that is how it's supposed to be. Now, and that much I can say. Now.
We enter Vernon County, which had an estimated population of 20,528 as of 2018.
And how rare it is that I stay up past 12. In the backyard we are going to start a garden. If that don't sound mighty good, I beg your pardon.
Note the lettered route on the sign for exit 116 and many other signs throughout the state. These are Missouri supplemental routes, which are secondary state roads. The more major supplemental routes of the system are ones assigned with single-letter designations, such as T. Minor branch routes and farm-to-market roads, which often end at county roads or are former alignments of other highways, are typically assigned with two-letter designations consisting of two of the same letter, for example TT. Additionally, combinations of letters may be used, but always with A as the first letter, such as AD. The only exception of this is on Route BA in western St. Louis County. Combinations beginning with the letter R are also used for routes that connect with state parks or other recreational facilities, which is the only use of R in the system. Route AR, a non-recreational route south of Bakersfield, is the only exception to this. The vast majority of the highways in the system are designated with 19 letters of the alphabet. The letters G, I, L, Q, and S are not used because of the potential confusion with other letters and numbers. The only current use of X is on Route AX in Macon County.
Waste your time on me. Waste your time on me. Waste your time on me. Waste your time on me.
We conclude today's video at mile 110. Thanks for watching. If you'd like to help support our channel, please check out our merchandise at 504roadtrips.spreadshirt.com. If you liked this video, please give us a like, post a comment, subscribe, Share and follow us on social media, and join us for our next 504 road trip.